Okay, ready? Say your line.
Hello, everyone. I'm single and ready to marry. If anyone wants to marry me, comment below. I promise I'll take good care of you. No requirements at all. But only serious people, please.
You broke my phone again, didn't you?
No, you did it last night when you were drunk.
What the hell are you talking about?
People